Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Wolf, not the third. I am with Disability Resolution PA. We're doing question 108 of the top 200 Social Security disability blah, blah, blah questions. You already know what it is because you watched a bunch at this point. Any difficulty with making a bed, dusting the house, or vacuuming, or mopping? Ooh, mopping's a good one. Alright, so the whole point of this is to figure out whether or not you have the functional capacity to do, once again, your RFCs, residual functional capacities, which are, lifting, standing, pushing, pulling, remembering, focusing, concentrating. You've got physical ones and mental ones. So what we've got here is making a bed. Are you able to spread out the sheets? Are you able to lift the corners of the beds? How much can you lift? Dusting, you're able to reach up high? You're able to go ahead and get in between the blinds? Vacuuming, how heavy is the vacuum? Are you able to push it forward and pull it back? Must be a strong back. Mopping, same gig, but now we're involving water. How big is the water pail that you use? Ooh, did you lift it from the sink to the ground? Did you lift it from the ground to the sink? Ooh, excellent questions. Very, very salty questions. All right, we're going on to 109 because I'm tired. I'm quitting at 110. Have an absolutely wonderful day. I'll catch you a little bit later and we'll go from there. Remember, if you want the most up-to-date information, shoot me an email or give me a call or catch me live 8 to 10 Thursday, every live Thursday Eastern Standard Time. Subscribe, like, thumbs up, leave 5 stars, and donate to our wonderful program called Get Her Done. All right, I'll catch you a little bit later and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye.